Adarsh Judicial Commission will also be submitting the interim report in front of the Maharashtra Assembly today. The report details with the issues of ownership and reservation of the plot. Remember, this will be tabled in the Assembly today. Poulomi is joining us on the phone line. Poulomi, give us more details. What is it, the issues that this report will be dealing with?
Well, basically what the Adarsh Judicial Commission interim report deals with two very important questions, which basically are about whether the land belonged to the state government or was it defense property. And the second question that it deals with is whether the land was reserved for war widows, the Kargil for profit scam that we're speaking about. These are the only two questions that have been dealt with in the Judicial Commission's report, which was just, in fact, a couple of days ago submitted to the Chief Secretary of the Maharashtra State Government, Ratnakar Gaikwad. And what we believe from sources is that on both these counts, on both these issues, the state government is going to walk away quite clean, because this land, what we believe the responses will be, belonged to the state government, and it was not reserved for war widows. It was later, when Adarsh Housing Society was set up, that the reservation or the proposal to reserve this for war widows was made. So definitely on both these counts, the state government is going to walk out quite clean. So that is how it makes it interesting that the state government has decided to table this report even before an ATR has been put in place, which is an action taken report. So without an action taken report, the report will be in fact tabled in the House today.